The modern practice of interpreting was born during the Nuremberg trials, where simultaneous interpretation was first adopted to ensure effective communication among the various languages present. This event marked a pivotal turning point, establishing methods and practices that would define contemporary interpreting. Nowadays, we distinguish three main types of interpreting: simultaneous, consecutive, and whispered. Simultaneous interpreting happens in real time, with the interpreter translating the speaker's words almost instantaneously. This method requires a high level of concentration and skill, as the interpreter must listen, comprehend, and translate simultaneously. Consecutive interpreting, on the other hand, involves the interpreter taking detailed notes and translating after the speaker has finished a segment of the speech. This type of interpreting allows for a more accurate and thoughtful translation as the interpreter has time to fully organize and understand the speaker's message. Lastly, whispered interpreting, or chuchotage, is used for small groups or individuals, with the interpreter whispering the translation into the listener's ear. Today, there is also a code of ethics for interpreters, supported by Italian regulations, which sets professional and behavioral standards to ensure the integrity and quality of interpreting services. In conferences, the interpreter must be aware of both the type of audience and the type of speaker they are working with. Knowing the audience allows the interpreter to adapt their style and linguistic register to ensure that the message is understandable and appropriate for the recipients. At the same time, understanding the type of speaker and their communication style is crucial to maintaining the effectiveness and fluidity of the translation. Collaboration in the booth between interpreters is essential to maintain a high level of precision and fluidity. Interpreters often work in teams, alternating every 20-30 minutes to prevent mental fatigue and ensure consistent performance. Throughout study of the materials provided in advance allows the interpreter to prepare adequately, understanding the context and content of the speech. This can include reviewing technical documents, presentations, and background materials that the speaker intends to use. Advanced preparation enables the interpreter to familiarize themselves with specific vocabulary and topics, thus improving the quality of the translation. One type of conference that has been recently analyzed is the SMA conference, or Spinal Muscular Atrophy Conference. This event brings together experts, doctors, patients, and families to discuss the latest research and developments in the field of spinal muscular atrophy. From this event, a case study emerged that led to the analysis of the role of medical interpreters in conferences. This analysis revealed various critical aspects of interpreter preparation in the medical field. Interpreters must have a deep understanding of medical conditions, treatments, and the specific technical terms used during presentations. To prepare appropriately, interpreters study not only the provided materials but also recent research and relevant publications in the field of SMA. Moreover, it emerged that collaboration between the interpreter and speakers is fundamental. Before the conference, interpreters often meet with speakers to discuss the key points of their presentations and clarify any specific terminology or concepts. The analysis highlighted the importance of specific training for medical interpreters, suggesting that they should have an in depth knowledge of the medical field in addition to excellent linguistic skills. Continuous training and specialization are crucial to facing the challenges that arise in the medical field, where precision and understanding of technical terms can make the difference between effective communication and a potential misunderstanding. In conclusion, interpreting is a complex and ever evolving profession that requires not only linguistic skills but also thorough preparation, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the context in which one operates. Interpreters are bridges between different languages and cultures,